Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know I just like uploaded earlier, but yeah, I made a new build. I know it's kind of rush, but it's a Blizzard greataxe build here. It's a pretty decent build. Also, here's the skill tree. I'm using the dark spin arts technique here, here, and here. So yeah, that's all for this build, and I'm gonna go try it on see what I'm gonna bully this guy again. Alright, now we wait for him to spawn. Look at that, like 100 damage off the bat. I don't know how I missed. Let me just get my technique and he should be done for now. Yeah, this is a pretty good high damaging build. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye guys.